How to delete your Blockfi account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Mustad, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Blockfi account. Now, I'll be using this website, the Bitcoin Manual. Thanks to this website, I'm able to guide you through the steps. Now, first thing first, what you want to do is, I'll just scroll down. You'll have certain assets or certain amount on your account, right? So I think, as you can read here, it goes without saying, before you even think about deleting your Blockfi account, you should give it once over and review if you have any funds or assets or pending interest payments to clear up. So if you want to withdraw them, or you want to transfer them, or if you have any pending interest payments, then you want to clear them. Once you do so, now how to delete your account, let's get to the point. Well, you'll have to open your particular email account that is registered with the application. So you want to open up Gmail, and then you want to open a particular email account that is registered with the application, the Blockfi application or the Blockfi account. Then you want to compose an email and enter the email address that is on the recipient. You want to type in onboarding@blockfi.com, and then on subject you want to type request to delete my account, and now you want to write an email regarding how you can delete your account, and then why you want to delete your account, and then you want to type your user ID, email address, and provide the reason for deleting your account, as I have already said, and then send it. Once they have verified the information, they'll get back to you with a link so that you can delete your account. So this is the only way that you can delete your Blockfi account. You'll have to email them on onboarding@blockfi.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.